everyone, Pandora with Integrative Gardening here, and I wanted to show you today my latest version of the indoor garden. So you may have noticed that I have miniaturized it, and for those of you who didn't see it before, I had shelves about that wide and at any point 2 to 4 shelves tall, and then I had a couple of grow tents over there. So for a while I was expanding that section, and now as we get towards springtime I am shrinking that so that I can grow more things outside. So let's see what we have here. Over on this side I have what is actually up here is my dehydrator. So I already had this on a stand, and so I just decided to put a couple of lights in here, and that makes it so I can grow 4 of these 10 by 20 flats of salad greens. So this shelf up here is pretty short, but I can easily grow microgreens on there. So I can get 2 sections of microgreens, and this one's a little bit taller, so I can actually do either the baby lettuce or the bigger lettuce over here. I'll turn on that light so you can see that there. That's kind of bright there, so we'll turn that off. Yeah, so that is that section. So my latest shelves only had 2 shelf sections, and the top did hold 4 10 by 20 trays, just like this. So this basically holds what I had on my top shelf before. And then I have added this. So I have another light up here. Now this is actually the frame from one of my grow tents, and I have 2 this size. Right now I only have 1 set up, but I could easily set another one of these up next to it by, you know, moving one thing or another a little bit over. And what's nice about these is once I get closer to spring and I'm going to be putting these celery plants outside, then these are all in sections and I can take them apart. Yeah, so it's a nice kind of expanding section right there. And let's see, I'll move out of the way here so you can see that part better. There we go. So yeah, this kind of fits also 2 of the 10 by 20 flats. So if I put another section like this next to it over there or over there, then I would be able to hold the 4 10 by 20 flats that I had on the bottom shelf. And then I also have, and I have the lights off right now so it doesn't affect the video, I also have some other smaller plants that I am starting, so I can stick those kind of down in there. So if you followed me last year, you might have noticed that in those shelves that I had, when I was setting it up, I had shorter shelves on the top, so in the 4 to 5 shelf range, and I had a lot of little short shelves for the seed starting. And I have put the seed starting downstairs in the basement, and that way I can share it with my neighbors. And also, I'm really looking forward to growing some extra starts for my neighbors this year. and more so than, you know, I usually do. And also flower starts for my neighbors too. So that's gonna be really nice to have that. And I think that's all I have for you today. Yeah, I just wanted to show you my little new mini kitchen setup and how flexible it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.